Hi, this is Mary Ellen Bornak, Instructional Designer at Bucks, and I want to show you how to create a transparent icon and to resize it to make it appropriate for an icon in your learning management program. I'm using Pixlr, P-I-X-L-R. It's a free, nothing to download, photo imaging program that's available online, www.pixlr.com. First thing I'm going to do is choose the language. It's the first icon on the left, and that is English. And this is my workspace. We will open an image from my computer. The image that I want is in my historic folder, and it's called Alamo Chair. I'm choosing that. I'm opening it. I'm using the Select tool in the top row to move it over a little bit so I have a better workspace. Now what I want to do first is make the background of this image transparent. I'm going to choose the wand tool. Third row on the right, if you hover over it, it says wand tool. Notice my tolerance, it's 21. That's pretty good because this is a pretty obvious background. You might want to play with it, lowering it and highering it if you have a different kind of an image. Now I'm just going to click into my background and it chooses the entire background. I really don't want the background. If you notice, I just tried to delete the background, but that really didn't do what I wanted to do. I really want to make it transparent. So what I really want to do is click on Edit in the toolbar, go to the very bottom and invert selection, and you'll notice it just then chooses the chair. That's what I want to do. So now I want to go and do Edit. I am going to copy that image chair. Now copied it to my clipboard. I will go to File. I will then select New. I'm going to call this Alamo Chair Test 2. I already have a test one. I'm going to select Create Image from Clipboard because that's where I put my image, and I'm going to select Transparent, so the background will be transparent. Now I'm going to click OK. So now you'll see that my background on this chair is transparent. The gray and white blocks tell me that. And that's terrific. That's just what I wanted to do. But the icon is too big to be imported into your course management program. I'm going to resize it. So I click on Image and Image Size. Sorry, my mouse is having a little dance there. Image size. You'll notice that constrained proportions is chosen. That's very important. Just double check that it is chosen. You don't want to stretch your image out and make it look kind of weird. I know that about 100 pixels is pretty good size for an icon. That would be 100 pixels in your highest proportion dimension. In this case it's the height, so I'll change that to 100. Now I'll click OK. Notice that I have a pretty good icon size and it absolutely is transparent, so I'm going to save this file. Now here's a really important step. You'll do the drop down and you will save the image as a PNG, PNG. PNG is a similar format to a GIF. It has to be a PNG or a GIF to be transparent. And now I'm going to click OK. And it's simply going to ask me where do I want to save this file on my computer. This is an absolutely terrific program to use to create transparent. And the reason I want to create this transparent is because I do not want that block of color around my icon. So have fun.